Hi everyone, this is Keely with Toyota of Keene, and this is the 2020 Toyota Camry XLE. This particular 2020 Toyota Camry XLE is a V6 model, and it gets a ton of power with a 301 horsepower 3.5-liter V6 engine, an 8-speed electronically controlled automatic transmission with intelligence, and in this model you get up to 33 miles per gallon. Here on the exterior, you get LED headlights with fully integrated LED daytime running lights with the auto on-off feature. You get 18-inch silver machined finish alloy wheels. You get the color-keyed heated power outside mirrors with the turn signal and blind spot warning indicators. You get a panoramic glass roof with the front power tilt slide moonroof, and you get up to over 15 cubic feet of cargo space.
Here on the interior, you get an 8-inch touchscreen with Audio Plus, which includes 9 JBL speakers and a subwoofer. You get Bluetooth wireless technology with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and Amazon Alexa compatibility. This particular model comes with dynamic navigation. You also get the integrated backup camera with your projected path. You get 2 USB charge ports and a USB media port, and you get up to over 99 cubic feet of passenger space. The 2020 Toyota Camry XLE also comes with Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, which gives you some great safety tech, like pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar adaptive cruise control, automatic high beams, and so much more.
So if you're thinking about the 2020 Toyota Camry, the XLE might be perfect for you. So come on down to Toyota of Keene, 591 Monadnock Highway in Swansea, New Hampshire, or visit us online at toyotakeene.com. We cannot wait to work with you. Happy car shopping.